Yeah.
It's a ketchup.
You put some ketchup in there?
Ketchup in our fish.
Yeah, man. Good for the digestion.
Digestion.
Yeah, man.
So make
And
it
the real
steam.
ketchup this?
Yes. Yeah, man.
Natural.
Yeah, man.
No.
Tomato ketchup. Tomato.
Read the ingredients. Make us see what in there.
No ingredients in there.
Come let me see. It must tell you.
No, sir.
Right outside there, so wait a second.
Look, I'm in a see.
Wait a second. It says tomato. Okay, tomato. It says what? Salt. Okay. Can't read.
Can't read.
Alright.
Sorry, sir.
Alright.
So I'll give that 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And you're ready.
The jam tastes good. Tastes something, you know, the jam.
Nice.
The jam with the tea. That God, man. That's what,
Oh, the tea.
that's what I'm telling you, you know. That the mint tea there. And number. But I'm not telling them not even go to some mint tea at Jamaica. How far now?
You know, the amount make more than about 6 pounds of that mint to pick you up here that day. Yeah. Can you say the people in my foreign are sorry? Yo, I want to be love with me. It's my
Hold on,
sister.
let me turn this off. Power fail. I feel the work. What you say?
About 6 pounds of mint I will give you up with you.
The real thing, this no
Yeah,
baba.
me say one thing in the
Every day more and
African
drink
them
this,
a
you
hack
know.
foreign.
Every day more and drink that mint, you know. Yeah, man.
He said the African them a hack sorry.
I forget some more bush, you know,
A
baba.
foreign internet call me and ask me say,
You have more bush?
mint like that?
I want to clean up the system, man.
Yeah man, you can't get bush on your problem.
There's some sugar, little sugar in that.
No, just put the sugar in it now.
Yes, sir. I love mint, you know, but that
No,
one,
but
there,
like
that one, there no grow
All of
far.
them sitting here with me I do know. You see? I record them and people like, how me I will get the money I fight?
What do you mean? For you?
A billions of dollars would job them, man.
What for?
As a chef, this, you know. It's an international chef now, you know.
God will bless you.
Because when a chef come from...
Alright, good. That's it. Let me tell you. God will bless you. See it there? The real mint nut, yeah, man.
You know that, hold on. You know how mint... Hold on, man. You know how mint... The sugar light.
Oh, that sugar you like?
Yeah, it light. No, wait. So
Fuck up the pot again, make us see the pot again. People don't want to see it a bubble. A trouble that you know, my lads.
Steam fish,
this is steam fish, this is
Steam fish, this is
I hope you put a whole it more and taste the pepper.
You want to taste the pepper?
We really want you to bust up all 2
Alright,
more
now
nights,
put
you
more,
know.
now put more pepper in it.
Because I really don't want the fish come out soft, you know.
No, I
I
don't want the fish to
taste
soft.
the pepper, I want to do the man think I pay man eat them food here right
Yeah,
now. So
no, I want to
we're
taste
not
the pepper
supposed
too.
to easy with the pepper.
No problem with me with
Supposed
the
to
pepper.
man up. Look
No.
on the fish, man.
Me want to taste the
You
pepper.
not boil the plant yet?
No, I'm going to put on it. No worry about the plant. I take out this now and put on the plant.
Alright.
No, I'm not worry about the pepper because then I'm a now boss for pepper.
No make the crying business, man. Put 3 nights, man.
Yeah,
Come on, that fish will look
So
good.
if you cry about the pepper now,
No, man, no crying. No crying time, man.
when they see this a fish,
I mean, you can just get a piece of the fried breadfruit and put on the side.
no, I'm not no more fried breadfruit.
Okay.
You don't know.
Yeah, man, I eat this, you know. Boy, I tell you, if I look at white rice with it on.
No, we can steam the rice thing.
Yeah, man, you look at rice with the boiled plantain.
No, you
I
can't.
kill you, I kill
man,
people,
anything
man.
you
I
want.
kill you. You see, this is the real cooking, you know.
We not worry about you.
Boom.
If you want rice,
boom. Let me tell you, me wait for the rice,
no,
man.
put on the burn bread, because burn bread are free bread. Put on the burn bread.
Yeah, man.
So if you want a little rice, I hit now get to right away.
Yes, I. Don't worry, we love you, man. God will bless you. You have to just work, you know. When you're there in your yard, naturally I cook. Nobody now film you.
No, sir. No, sir.
I got
But
to-
let me know the type of food.
That pear they ripe, you know, but my lord, I ready me I go bounce it off, you know. I film that pear there for me alone.
No, man, I feel you, man. Go and eat
For
the
me
pear.
alone.
Go and eat the pear.
No man, I wait for the fish.
Oh, okay.
I wait for the fish. Hey, you see the big pear them, I go get your stick, you know. You see them big pear there around there, so. And that more pick two of them and make them right before me left, you know. It's a big pear there around there, so. Me will go pick them now. Can you tell me say them eat nice?
Yes, man, they're good, man. Daddy. Oh, you're going. The food almost ready, you know, man. So no listen. You get some bread after you.
Where do then? What is it?
Any food where you eat, you see?
Mm.
Then you eat, you know, I give away no different food from.
Jamaica make we taste the mint tea.
Yeah, it's minty.
Yeah man, just like mama used to make it. Hey, Jamaica, me tell you say, when I don't take a vacation, Baba we charge you $100 a day, take you to the bush, wear on the long pants, watch out for the ticks them, and drink some mint tea. Anything you know want to eat, just go Christian and go buy it, and Baba will cook it.
Let's go Christian.
When you go and be experienced Jamaican, when you come on vacation, spend 2 days with Baba. You experience the wood fire stove, the mat out the door, when you're going to get the real coffee, real mint tea.
Yes.
When you get avocado from the tree,
From the tree.
steamed fish, rundown, rice and peas. You don't even go help wash plate.
Wash plate in
And the smoke, you see the roast can
See fish I get there now.
God, a Jamaica, I want to go on with my no hotel now, go to this.
Hotel.
Them things are organic.
They can't cook them food at hotel.
You see this? You're coming for the real authentic country Jamaican cooking. See him there?
Yeah.
See there? You know better save on the money to ride. And if you don't want a taxi, we take on from the airport, just link me.
No problem. We have that, man. Straight to yard.
It's straight ahead. You see the kitchen how it's set? A 60-year-old, about 8-year-old kitchen this in. Should they call them there?
The pot them line up, turn down and wait.
Anytime on the ready man, see there? No way in Jamaica now. Get this. So around they open up the gate. Don't be late. See Denny there? Tell them Denny when them come what you going to do for them. Take them to the, you're going to take them to the hills?
All of the experiences here, you can see.
Yes sir.
I said, let me show this now. You know something should have showed them when I have things already.
All of the experience.
Food, just show it in the book, thank you.
I'm not going to sit right here so I can drink on the sorrel. Where me sit down. See the pear them there? Jackfruit. When the jackfruit them are going to be here? When them are going to get big? I don't eat no jackfruit from me coming now. I'm young. If you come about December 15th, you eat fruit till you know. I'll come Christmas. That's how we said. Signing off. You've not seen no video. They must have said, oh, come in and send no video yet. But now is my data going entertain them. Hey, me there watching a video with Pokey a while ago. I said, me almost dead to right. I said, wait till me release them things. That's why I want to left them with you before me leave.
Oh.
Because you can't see them on YouTube with too much data.
Okay.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So, but I love me want to bring you on then go nigger, you know.
No, I'm not going to nigga. Bring Denny go on. We don't have no problem with Denny go.
When's the last time
You
you
go and hold the food. No, somebody have it there. Because the animal them fit take care of.
Okay, okay.
So the two of we can handle it at one time. So carry Denny go on. Don't worry about me, man. I'm good, man. We take care of things. Now that's still the plant now. Denny can. Denny, see me buy some bread in the house. But Juicy give me a big bread for me, say. I give that bread for the holiday, you know. See, so we still buy few bread different and few juice different in the fridge.
But all that for sure, man. We don't need power.
Alright, so we can come back in because I see I food there about you now.
Wicked, the rice look good. Nice, my lord. Oh, how is the fish looking? The rice done. Oh, the plantains. Nice.
And the fish ready now.
Yes. All right. Jamaicans are ready for eat. So the pier there. Give thanks and blessings, yeah, Baba. See there, see the fire there. You know, I could do it, sir.
So, get the food together now. You ready now?
Yeah, man. When they say my shower, I'm saying soon come back.
No problem. Then I said then it time.
What do you mean?
Hmm?
Him not eat on time.
No, eating time.
Just one big spoon for me.
What? Brown rice, that you know?
Yeah, man, just one big spoon. I'm gonna want to have it down the belly.
You see what we do with the rice?
Mm-hmm.
You have macaroni and cock soup.
What you said to me?
Yeah, this is not just a natural cooking.
That is it, one.
You don't want them?
Yeah, that is it.
So we have this rice now to go look bush for lunch tomorrow. Because that's how we cook, you know.
Jamaica, look at it, man. You see, Baba, you see how the plate not enough, but beautiful as ever.
Fork, you use fork.
Get the knife, make a cut up the pear for the
You
Jamaican.
use fork.
Yes, please, sir. I'll get the knife and cut up for the Jamaican then.
Okay, man. Let me tell you this, but okay.
And this is Randy again. Baba, finish the fish avocado. I can't be more blessed to be in the presence of a real, authentic Jamaican chef. So that is why when I come to Jamaica, I straight to Baba yard me reach. And I would advise you, if you ever get a chance to eat some of this natural food and the rice brown, him say have some. So Baba, can you please tell me how you prepare this, please?
Sure.
Everything.
Okay, I'm going to season the fish. Onion, pepper, garlic, no artificial powder, natural. Because you know what more than onion and garlic and pepper. Tomato will come after while the fish are cooked. And I simmer down, you just cut up the tomato properly. That's steamed fish. You cook. Plant, you know, not naturally you just peel the plant. These are ripe plant. Yes. So now come to the rice now. It's brown rice. What we do now, we tip a little cock soup to bring up the flavor of the rice. You see the color where the rice have? Right, you see no white. So we tip a little bit of cock soup in it so as to change the color from white. And then we put a few macaroni in it. Right. We forget a more of full taste than just a cooked brown rice. So how it tastes? So you know it is in front of you now.
Well, I must say, it tastes very balanced.
Balance, right.
Very healthy.
And then you have the avocado around you. And then maybe look more from now. You can ask your gopa lemonade, which is lemonade juice.
Let me
Not
taste
sugar and water.
lemonade.
Lemonade. We see me can maintain the lemonade.
I just taste the pepper.
Just taste the pepper now. Right. So we are going to the lemonade now.
And that pepper is hot.
Yes,
I
man.
wish you did cut it up a little smaller.
So,
I mean, did about put pepper in there, Baba. Put pepper.
put pepper in there, Baba.
No,
so
me-
we put it here.
No, me wish you did cut it up just a little smaller.
So see we have now. We have
And you
the-
put some seed in the pepper. You put the seed in there,
No man,
Baba.
no man. That's the skin because them pepper the body now. Real
Me
Scotch
say them
bonnet.
pepper the body, no.
Yellow cap, hot Scotch
You know this Christian song said, just a little walk with thee. I saw this song go.
bonnet. Yellow felt Scotch bonnet that you know, so they wicked.
Boy.
But you enforce the pepper, you know, me give you know.
But here what?
Can me have it.
Me no mind, you know. Kind of bug out my chest right now, but me no mind. The
Yes.
food so sweet.
Yes.
Just a little walk with thee.
This is lemonade. This strictly made of sour orange. And little bit of sugar.
Baba are the best food.
And
Me,
then
me taste since me come down here. And when the pepper lick me, you know, me say, man up! Me say the pepper you wicked.
alright.
It lick you know, but it talawa.
Tell her,
It lick you know, Baba.
A yellow face Scotch bonnet now just green and green.
What them call them?
Yellow face Scotch bonnet.
Me say not even America, mommy pepper them so hot. Them here will tear you up. You better watch your lip.
Yellow face, they name man. They're wicked.
And me teeth me if you eat the food with. Me can't use my lip no more.
Yellow face Scotch bonnet. That
Baba,
when you have to yellow face, you have to know where you are.
when people see me come Jamaica talk to you, them things you like me like, you know, the food where you cook me like. I don't like me like Baba. Me no like Baba. But me can cook for you.
Yellow face.
You don't see Jamaica yet till you come a Baba yard go eat. Baba can cook, man. Randy always enjoy. Me no care. No hotel. Real countryman cooking. And a Baba me like. And the food where Baba cook. When Baba cook food now, when I left Manchester. Save up on the money. Boy. I extend my stay. And I'm not even chicken, you know. I just fish.
Some fish.
But me wouldn't know where you, if you cook pork how it tastes.
Oh God, man. If you cook pork, you don't want to have it pork, man. All if you are ras, you still like it. If you cook, so if you cook ahead, everybody in the side.
So you say you have a haggis in the
have a
fridge.
big haggis.
You have a big haggis.
Me have a 8 pound haggis in the freezer right now. But through you there, me no want to cook it.
No man.
Because you say you don't want to
No
cook.
cook the whole like, just cut off a piece of the ears or the haggis.
Eh?
And put that some color. You know when you fry it good.
No, you have to cook it down first.
When you cook it.
Bone scan it.
Mr. the pepper. Jamaica. Me know no like me right now, not jealous. But I me journey far and wide to come here. Me say, how me can explain how it is? Let me see. Say you have Christmas, 10 Christmas in a 1 year.
Now 1 year.
You remember when you used to go on bus, go trip with the old people them,
Yeah.
and then cook
Yes.
the rice and peas in the morning,
In the morning.
and then put it in the dust pot and put it on the bus.
Yes.
And then you reach at the trip after you go up on the merry-go-round, and then you eat the rice and peas. And nothing sweet like that, you know.
No.
Rice and peas
No,
not sweet.
God, no.
Rice and peas not sweet, you know.
When you just
When
cook.
you just cook.
No, man.
You have to go up on a bus, go Kingston, on a merry-go-round, school outing.
Rice and peas is Monday daytime, not Sunday.
Not Sunday. I was in the fridge, cool.
Yes.
This is how this tastes. 5 school outing rice and peas.
You know, say chicken when you fry it on Sunday, it's nice like when you eat it Monday.
I tell you. I tell you. That fish are good, man. That fish are good. Yeah, man. I cook we love them. So a woman go get up, go left your here, cook. Woman idiot. Woman say, Papa, no let no food. You tired woman with the food?
Yeah, the food nice, man. You can't let.
Good job. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me take a picture, go send Jamaica Good Life. Jamaica Good Life, this. You get the medal. And the plantains are soft.
Mm-hmm.
You know, total is a year pear, this and a year plantain.
Yeah, man.
If you have a big tank out of your fish though.
Mm-hmm.
See, Baba, see the seed in the pepper there, you know. See the you left seed in the damn
No,
pepper.
but me tell you, so the green pepper seed no do nothing.
You know, do you nothing?
No.
Nah,
That's why I'm gonna use dry pepper.
Me have to cut off a little bit of that seed pepper.
No, do nothing, man. But only thing is when you eat the seed, as I say, it take a make a fire in your belly.
Let me tell you. Piece of fire thick.
You just feel like you swallow and fire stick in your stomach.
Mm-hmm. The pepper add flavor,
Yeah.
excitement,
Mm-hmm.
adventure.
Mm-hmm.
One person on YouTube say, right, tap talk with your food, with your mouth full of food. Yeah, man, we love it. Love it. Love it. The people that are comment on the video, damn randy, man. Cho. Look like you're forced to come over your heart.
You really see the food.
Oh, man. Look how much time we eat on camera.
Right.
I'm have to come up. Yeah, man. And the girl, let me know, say, yeah, you go serious with the garlic, you know.
Yeah, man. We love the garlic, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, the fish good. I know some is I have to have 4 pieces of avocado.
Mm-hmm.
I eat pear down every day. It helps with the bowel movements, you know.
Yes. That's what the avocado do, you know.
Yeah.
Free up your bowel.
Every time you eating, if you eat, it's like butter, natural butter.
Right. So if you eat one of the avocado there,
In your food, a whole one.
food, a whole one, couple minutes right now, the bowl will actually just
Yeah, and when you deal with the toilet, just boom, gone.
boom, gone.
Gone.
Yes. No, sit down for you now.
No constipation. So, that's right. This not heavy. This good, Baba. It's good. Jamaica good. No restaurant no there, Jamaica. If you make this for tourists, man, them run off of them foot, them run off of the beach. Countryman cooking is a different kind of cooking.
Yeah.
Cause you hunger food every day.
Every day.
You plant it, you cook it.
I'm eating enough for you.
Eat enough. But you know, soap oil.
No, but I'm more carb. That's why I make it a lot of food. No, but I tell you, if I just eat and sit down and relax for a month, you can't move me.
You get fat.
Yeah. I'm not bother with that. I eat a lot of food, but when I wake up in the morning time, you know, you see? What I do, I just drink a cup of tea, I don't eat. So even when I wake with a rising belly, by the time I catch a bush, I'll do 2 hours gone down. Because there's a doctor who say, you mustn't go to your bed hungry, you know. Yeah, man, he said you can't eat any amount of food when you go to your bed. Any amount.
What time though?
When you stop, any hours.
That's what I'm saying?
Yes. But what him say now? You must not lay down on your belly, on your back when you eat. So for instance, say if you eat another plate of this food, you know, you see, you can't go to your bed right away, but lay down on your belly. Or your side. But don't lay down on your back. Because the food lie down right there. So.
Yes.
Right. But once you lay down on your belly, or your side, the food will work on.
Okay.
So you say what with a good belly full now? Is when you eat a good belly full like now and go to your bed, you wake up with a lot of energy in the morning. So you don't wake up weak. So that's why I tell you, when we wake up in the morning time, I have a lot of energy to move around, do what I do. Because I'll 1 o'clock at night, I wake up and come down and eat a good belly full. And have a drink.
1 o'clock?
Yes. Because my stomach can't manage it. What time you think I eat this morning? After 2.
You eat your dinner?
Yeah, I come down to the kitchen, come hot up my food and eat. I make a cup of tea. And go back to my bed. We wake up 6 o'clock. This morning. Come no want nothing to eat. We have drink a cup of hot tea. That's it. So when I reach a bush now, at that time I'm ready to eat again. Give myself within 3 to 4 hours. Or 5 hours. Based upon how they work around me for the day. Because anytime the body start to work, you see? Him start to dictate to you if you tell you say him want food now. But if you not work, he not dictate to you. Because he's already in there.
A guy named Patrick Delvis, right? One of the most wickedest health person in the West Indies. Patrick Delvis said, "A man wicked. You don't eat before 11. And when you wake up, you get a piece of lemon in a glass, in a water, and drink it at room temperature. You clean your esophagus and get you prepared for
the day.
Digestion. First thing him say.
In the morning.
Yeah. I'm saying you must only eat 2 times a day. And when you're in the morning, and him say, you do not eat after 6 p.m. You do not eat after 6 p.m.
So like how 6 o'clock down when we are eating wrong.
Wrong. Him said the amount of time it take the food for process. And when you get up on man, the first thing you do, you move your barrel and you must do it quickly. Your man wicked and wicked and wicked. His name Patrick Delvis. I'm going to tell you something, Baba. Him talk about the color food and him talk about mixing the fruits versus mixing the fruits and the, you know, and him teach you how to get the body ready to kill the cancer. How to eat. So you see your digestive system depends on when you're sleeping and when you wake up. So what? 11 o'clock in the morning, a lot of people, but you work on different clock.
Right.
Because 4 o'clock you wake up. People don't wake up 4 o'clock.
Right.
And a bush you go. And depending on how you work. So you not live the normal life, you know, because you work more than enough people work physically. You know, and you're not the son. So you still have the slave condition. You see me? Yeah, the real, you burn up carb like carb, no nothing.
Burn up calorie like
Nothing. So you don't apply it to you. It applies more to people who
like you was sitting on desk.
will sit on desk.
Yes.
Don't eat after 6.
Right. Cause okay. For the past 5 years, we don't wake up a morning yet when we have a glass of cold water. You see a glass there?
Yeah.
Every single morning as we come from upstairs.
Yeah. You drink a cold, yeah, to start the system.
To start the system. 1.5 times a day.
Because the system when it shut down, you know, it's like a dark road, you know, no light, no there along there, you know.
Right, sir.
It's like a river with dry, you know.
Yes, so the doctor said when you wake up in the morning,
Yeah.
before you have a cup of tea, make sure that you have a glass of cold water to open back the system and get them going.
Yeah.
Before you put the hot one down there. So the system more want the cold one more than the hot one. Yes.
I've got married soon because I need somebody to give me a glass of water early in the morning.
Right.
But I wake up early, so my wife better wake up early.
So I really depend on my wife. to play that role for me. Me make sure me put it on the front line of my burner. But once my eyes is open, first thing I'm heading for is the water. Brush my teeth, have the water, then me head for the tea.